Hey guys, what's up? Lanchen here. Today I am doing another galaxy tutorial for you, except this time I am outside in nature. It's pretty freaking beautiful where I am right now. I apologize for the sound. I know it's a little windy. I'm in the Angeles Forest in California camping, so I wanted to still do my video even though I was out here. I thought it might be, you know, a fun mix-up. So I finished my piece already. I just did a mixture of turquoise, dark blue, and magenta. I made it super simple. So let's get started. These are the brushes that I'm going to be using. So let's start off with my Artist Loft turquoise. Now I'll come in with my pink. This is a Basics medium magenta. I'm going to add my primary Basics blue using the same brush. I'll come back in with my Artist Loft turquoise just over some certain areas to brighten it up. For the next step, I'll be switching back and forth between my Artist Loft turquoise and my primary Basics blue. I'll put in some pink highlights next. For the final touches, I'll bring back in my black. I splashed the stars away from the camera, but now I'm going to finish doing the starburst. I'm just using my detail brush. Alright guys, that is it. If you liked this video, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you are interested in seeing more of my artwork, you can find my work at Lanchen Designs. Thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.